Hi everyone, my Traveller's Notebook from Planners Anonymous has just arrived. This is the Hello Universe Traveller's Notebook and this amazing galaxy print. So this is the pouch the Traveller's Notebook comes in. I just started unboxing it, and would you believe I hadn't actually turned the camera on. So I have actually taken the Traveller's Notebook out of the plastic, but that's as far as I got before I realised that I wasn't filming it. So I'll just pull everything out of the bag here and we can share this together. I'll just zoom in a little bit. This is the Traveller's Notebook. It has this gorgeous, gorgeous galaxy print on it. The spine is black, and this is the back, and it has a pocket here which you can put your phone or something else in, whatever you fancy, but a really handy pocket which I haven't seen before in a Traveller's Notebook. This is a faux leather, so this is vegan friendly. Oh my goodness, the print is just lovely. And then inside it comes with this clear window which you can pop a journal card or something in, but it also comes pre-printed with Be Your Own Star, so you can just leave it like this. There's this lovely pocket here with some silhouette of some mountains. Goes all the way to the bottom. There's this pocket here which also goes all the way to the bottom, and then this purple here, and inside there's constellations and of course a pocket here, and on the other side a pocket here, a deep pocket here that goes all the way to the bottom, and there's 3 credit card sized slits here, and a huge looking pen loop for the chunkiest of pens. So that's the Traveller's Notebook cover, 4 strings. And of course you can add jump bands to include more inserts. I normally do. I normally have 8 inserts in mine. This might be a bit thin for 8, but certainly would take 4 or probably 6. We shall experiment and see. But that's the Traveller's Notebook, and it really is gorgeous. I can't wait to set it up with the next month's Planners Anonymous kit, which is going to coordinate with this Traveller's Notebook. It's called Whale Song, so it's a galaxy themed kit, but with whales, and it's just stunning. I haven't seen it in real life, but it's stunning, and it'll be so nice in here. So that's the Traveller's Notebook Hello Universe, and it came with an insert, some dashboards, and some stickers. Oh my goodness me. So excited. I'm so excited. Okay, let's have a look at these. These are the dashboards. So this is the same print as the Traveller's Notebook. And there's this print here with the watercolour inside. Wow. And then this stylised constellations watercolour. And on the inside of that, crystals. Gorgeous. And this is the insert. There's the cover of the insert, with space there for whatever you want to put there. So decorated inside, but with the option to basically add anything you like to that pattern. Then the month, the goals. So this is a luxe insert, so this is just like the monthly inserts that Sammy produces every month, which coordinate with the kits. This one's an undated luxe insert, so the colours all coordinate. Ah, look at that. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. and then pages at the back, which you can do whatever you like. Then there's lists, get it done, don't stop now, and then the 2019 calendar. That's a gorgeous luxe insert. That'll be stunning inside there. Then there are Hello Universe stickers. Oh, it's the little minis. Oh, cute. So there's 3 pages of the minis. The minis are each page is the same, so it's great to have 3 pages. Look at that girl with the kitty. Oh my goodness. So cute. So there's 3 pages of the minis, and then there's 2 of these pages. So this has the traveler's notebook. These 2 stick together, and this is a full box width. So you can close that, write in it, and have it closed in your planner. And then there's the coordinating coffee cups, planners, and happy mail, and 2 sheets of those. And they obviously coordinate with this. And then there's these bigger stickers, Hello Universe stickers. Oh my goodness, I love them. That kitty. Love. And these will be full boxes and double boxes. Gorgeous. And then heaps of headers. Oh my goodness me. These flags are split into 3 and 6. I'm not sure if you can see, so there are 2 different flags. Wow, heaps and heaps of quarter boxes. This is the Hello Universe Weekly Kit, I think it's called. Lots of half boxes. Oh, they actually get smaller, so there's full boxes, half boxes, quarter boxes, and then just sort of a single line. And the same with this pattern. And then you've got date dots and a whole heap of words and icons and coordinating colours. And then these washi strips, rescheduled, cancelled, and date headers, day headers. Oh my goodness, I love it. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's 8 pages. These are big sticker pages. These are like 5 by 7 sticker pages. They're huge. And there's 8 of those, and they all coordinate with the traveler's notebook, and obviously with the luxe insert. Oh my goodness, Sammy, you've outdone yourself. I'm loving this. So the pouch is gorgeous, the traveler's notebook is gorgeous, the stickers are gorgeous, it's all gorgeous. So this is Hello Universe, and honestly I can't wait to set it up. So thanks for watching, guys, and I think I might have a little play with this now. Okay, thanks guys, see you next time, bye.